So for my quiz, part of this challenge, I decided to use Kahoot because I feel it is the best way to be able to interact with the students with quizzes. So how it works is, so the quiz is about mental health, which is my course content. So the quiz questions are just like kind of basic questions to get the students' basic understanding of it. So this would be kind of a quiz to use before you introduce the material to them, just to get like an understanding of what they understand. So how it works is the quiz will pop up if you hit play. So the quiz will pop up, and then you just pick whichever one you want to do. So you do classic, and then you'll get people to do it, to play it, and then people will pop up. And you can start, and then you'll start the quiz, and then it'll just kind of go into all the different questions that start with that, so the students can, on their phones, they will pick which answer they think is correct, and then it will pop up. The teacher would hit stop, and then it would pop up with the answer which was correct and the percentage of people that got it correct. And then they can also play it just by themselves if they wanted to. So yeah, that is all for my quiz portion of this badge.